Hello, boys and girls. We are going to work on our Rockin Statements. So you are going to create a statement regarding each picture that's on this paper. And for this worksheet, I'm going to help you with the first one, and then you are going to do the other two by yourself. So for the first picture, we see that there is a girl in the picture. And what is she doing? Yeah, she's playing the drums. So in our statement, we can say, the girl is, and what is she doing? She's playing, right? So the girl is playing and what is she playing? She is playing the drums. So this is a statement. It is a complete sentence. I have a capital letter that begins the sentence. I have a subject, which is the girl, and I have a predicate, which is what she is doing. She is playing the drums. So this is a complete sentence because we also have a period for punctuation. This is a statement. We are not exclaiming it. This is not a question. This is a statement. Again, I have a capital letter T. I have the subject. I have the predicate. And I have punctuation. And the sentence makes sense. You want to make sure you have spacing in between each word as well. So that is what you're working on this morning. It is the Rockin Statements. And you are going to continue on and you will do these two pictures on your own. So what is he doing? And then what is she doing? All right, so I hope you have a great morning and I will see you later today. Thank you.